Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, DJ Zinhle is always criticized when it comes to a lot of things. People have been criticizing her career, some people are even criticizing her dressing code. They are saying good, she needs to stop wearing this and that because she is now old. DJ Zinhle needs to stop doing this and that. She is now old. She needs to stop showing some skin and all of that. And what I like about her is that she is just ignoring these people, Sana, ignoring these negative comments and just carrying on with her life. So she is now criticized for her parenting. They are saying, Gucci, no, 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 girl. Why are you doing this to Cairo? Cairo is still young. She needs to be a child. She needs to be enjoying a childhood yak and playing with other kids. But you are just there. She is there doing photo shoots, Sisana. She is there doing campaigns and all of that. People are just so concerned that Ukairo will not enjoy her childhood, but she will be just doing less and less. So someone posted and said, I hate that I have to agree with Unota. So this was brought up by Unota. DJ Zinhle needs to do more to protect Cairo. Take her off the internet. She doesn't need to be posting or working for anything. She's a child. So, guys, I don't know. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Like, do you think doing campaigns and all of that has a negative effect on you as a child? Because I really don't think so. Like, if you are taking you're doing an advert for ER comments, because I saw happy advert ER comments. What's wrong? Like, you're just taking pictures, changing attire and stuff, and then you're going back home, unless there's something more to it that we really don't know. And you might find that she is enjoying it, Isana Ukairo. Maybe Cairo is enjoying taking these pictures. Ukairo is enjoying, doing these campaigns. Unless Yena she doesn't want it, Ukairo, and then DJ Zinhle maybe is just, pressurizing her and stuff. But sometimes you might find that she enjoys it. And man, people are just so concerned about DJ Zinhle. Last, they said that she loves Ukairo more than Asante, the one Ila Sponiake with Medabongs. Last, they said no, DJ Zinhle seems to be posting Ukairo more and not posting Asante more. And then they also said that DJ Zinhle, when it comes to dress code, she is dressing Ukairo more beautiful clothes and dressing Asante clothes that are not beautiful. Like kuningi sana, kuningi. People always have an opinion about everything, but I just like that she is just ignoring the noise and just living her life. So I really don't know. I don't see anything with campaigns as long as it's campaigns that are designed for kids. If it's a comment clothing, obviously it's a campaign that is designed for kids. But I don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think about DJ Zinhle being criticized about her parenting? Do you think Vele Vele it's wrong, or do you think that it's okay as long as the child is enjoying? Because I also think it's okay, but I don't know. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.